Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, if x square minus y square equal to 24 and xy equal to 35, what is the value of x plus y? How can we solve this? Let this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 2 we can write y equal to 35 by x. Put this value in equation 1 and we will get x square minus 35 by x whole square equal to 24. Now multiply x square both sides, so we will get x to the power 4 minus 35 square, this is 1225, equal to 24 x square. We can write this as x to the power 4 minus 24 x square minus 1225 equal to 0. Now here let x square equal to e, so we can write this equation as a to the power 2 minus 24a minus 1225 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and by factorization we can write a square minus 49a plus 25a minus 1225 equal to 0 by taking a common, so a minus 49 plus here we take 25 common, so a minus 49. Now take a minus 49 common, so a plus 25 equal to 0. From here we get a equal to 49 and a equal to minus 25, and a is x square, so x square equal to 49 and x square equal to minus 25, so x equal to plus minus 7, and if x is plus minus 7 we will put this value here. Let this is equation 3 and we will get y equal to plus minus 5. Similarly, if x square equal to minus 25, so we will get x equal to plus minus 5 iota, and if we put this value in equation 3 we will get y equal to minus plus 7 iota. So these are the values of x and y. Now we can find x plus y. Suppose x is 7 and y is 5, so 7 plus 5, this is 12. Similarly you can find for the rest of the values. So x plus y have many values, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.